Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video, part of my 31 days of Halloween, and welcome to my tiny little mini superhero series where I'm bringing you 3 different superheroes, all probably in the same day. So if you couldn't already tell who this is Catwoman, my kind of like interpretation of Catwoman. So for this Halloween, I've been recreating a ton of old videos of mine, just revamping them, creating them into something different, new, and kind of almost using it to like see where I've grown and where I am better at like what I do now, and it's actually been pretty awesome. This one, I created my Catwoman costume along with 2 of my best friends. We did all superheroes. I was Catwoman, another one of us was Batman, and another one of us was Spider-Man. So this is my Catwoman costume. There was never like a video or anything like that. Just kind of created the look and posted it for you guys to see on Instagram in 2015 if you want to go back that far and take a look. I can't believe that was literally 3 years ago. But here I am recreating it for you guys. It's the same headband. It came with this little choker neck piece. And just basically the whole look just revamped in the way that I would do it now in 2018. So without me babbling on, if you'd like to learn how I got this Catwoman makeup, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, we are jumping into this with the face and brows already done. The only different thing that I do with my face for this one is I like to use like a more red blush for the look. I'm just blending this bronzer that I used on my face, the Estee Lauder Victoria Beckham bronzer, into my crease of my eye, and then I used the Anastasia Prism palette on my eyelid. And then for mascara, we're going to be using the Be Legendary mascara from Charlotte Tilbury. Then we're going to be popping on some lashes, and we are blending the black and the browns underneath our eyes. Just a really classic smoky eye, nothing crazy whatsoever. I added a little bit of highlight to my whole face. I feel like it disappeared a little bit once we put the mask on. And then I just added some setting spray. So for the Catwoman mask, I draw out the eye holes first. I like to point out the edge, like where my brow is, like at the end where my brow arches. I like to kind of create almost like a cat ear. Does that make sense? Like, do you guys see the cat ear? So it's almost like a little cat ear as like the little hole. And as you see, I'm doing like little dots. That's really, really helpful in making sure that you're making your lines really straight. I'm just using a NYX liquid liner to do this. I don't fill it in with liquid liner just because it takes way too long and you'll waste your whole liner. But I use the NYX liquid liner to shape out the mask. Now I'm going to shape out the side of the mask. I just kind of follow my forehead and then round out the bottom, and then around my nose I kind of round it up. So not really difficult on the mask. Just the eye part is a little challenging to get that perfect like little cat edge to it. Then I'm going to move on to the black paint. I'm just going to blend in the black paint all over the mask. This is a Snazaroo black face paint. So I did it with a bigger brush, and then I went into a smaller brush just to blend it or perfect it as much as I possibly could. So once I'm done with the paint, I realized that this is a Catwoman look and we didn't do a cat eye. So I needed to do a cat eye. So I winged it out on the outside of the eye, and then I also winged it out on the inner corner. For the glitter, this is the glitter, actually the exact same glitter I used on the look that I did when I was in college. What I'm doing is I'm just repainting over just so that the glitter has something to stick to. This worked out fine for me. The glitter stayed on pretty much for most of the night. But if you wanted to, you could use glitter glue if you really wanted the glitter to stand out and stick out more. Then I decided to add 2 little stitches onto the mask so that it would look similar to Catwoman, and I added a little bit of highlight to the inner corners. For my lip liner, I'm just using a red lip liner on my lips, and then I'm adding a lipstick, which is from NYX, and a Buxom lip gloss, and that completed the look. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in to yet another video part of my 31 days of Halloween. We're getting there. We're making it work. We got this. We got this, right? As always guys, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen and check out all of my other videos right here on the side, and also make sure to check out my other superhero videos. I've done a Spider-Man look, I've done Deadpool, I did Batman, I've done Wonder Woman, so make sure to go and check all of those out. Maybe one day I will complete the entire superhero thing. That's gonna take a long time. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!